Some people ask the Holy Prophet ﷺ, can we be excused from offering 5 daily prayers regularly, or we offer some prayers and we leave some? Then the Holy Prophet ﷺ said, there is no religion without prayer, without worship. So the basic thing to be a good Muslim is that you offer your 5 daily prayers. Make it a point that you will never leave any prayer. And if you are offering 5 daily prayers, obviously you will try to learn the wordings. And the foremost is the Surah Fatiha, right? So try to learn Surah Fatiha and recite in your prayer. And then you know the meaning of Surah Fatiha. And when you know the meaning of Surah Fatiha, that is a comprehensive guideline for us to practice on. If you practice the commandments and the orders and the requirements given in the Surah Fatiha by Allah Ta'ala, it's a basic guideline, and that can make a person a good Muslim.